Good ventilation is one of the most important factors in creating a comfortable, healthy home. Fresh air circulation helps regulate temperature, reduce indoor pollutants, and prevent stale, stagnant air from building up. While standard window sizes and styles can improve airflow, custom windows offer homeowners even greater control over how air moves throughout the home. For residents in Washington, custom windows provide a strategic way to plan ventilation more effectively, room by room. Why ventilation planning matters. Every home has a unique layout. In Washington residences, some rooms may receive steady breezes while others feel stuffy or poorly ventilated. Poor airflow can lead to uneven temperatures, lingering odors, or excess humidity in certain areas. Custom windows allow homeowners to design ventilation solutions tailored to their home's specific floor plan and airflow needs. Designing for cross ventilation. One of the most effective ventilation strategies is cross ventilation. By placing operable windows on opposite sides of a room or home, air can flow naturally from one side to the other. Custom windows in Washington homes make it easier to align openings precisely where airflow is most beneficial. Instead of relying on standard window placement, homeowners can position windows strategically to maximize natural breezes. Choosing the right window style for airflow. Different window styles offer different ventilation benefits. Custom casement windows can be designed to capture passing breezes and direct them indoors. Awning windows can allow ventilation even during light rain. Double-hung windows offer flexible airflow control by opening from the top, bottom, or both. In Washington homes, selecting the right combination of styles supports better airflow planning and overall comfort. Optimizing window size and placement. Standard windows may not always fit the unique needs of a particular room. Custom windows allow Washington homeowners to adjust height, width, and positioning to improve ventilation in specific areas. For example, higher placement can help release rising warm air, while lower openings encourage fresh air intake. Thoughtful sizing enhances the effectiveness of natural air circulation. Improving airflow in kitchens and bathrooms. Certain rooms require more targeted ventilation. In Washington residences, kitchens and bathrooms benefit from custom window solutions that promote quick air exchange. Proper placement helps remove moisture and odors efficiently, supporting a fresher indoor environment. Supporting multi-story air movement. Homes with multiple levels can experience uneven airflow. Warm air naturally rises, which may lead to temperature differences between floors. Custom window placement in Washington homes allows homeowners to create a ventilation plan that encourages balanced air movement throughout all levels. Strategic upper-level windows can help release trapped warm air while lower-level openings draw in cooler air. Enhancing comfort. Naturally, ventilation reduces reliance on indoor systems. By incorporating custom windows into Washington residences, homeowners can enjoy natural airflow during mild weather. This creates a more comfortable atmosphere while supporting energy-conscious living. Preserving aesthetic appeal. Custom windows are not only functional, they also enhance design. Washington homeowners can select window shapes and configurations that complement architectural style while improving ventilation performance. A smarter approach to fresh air. Every home deserves a ventilation strategy tailored to its layout. For homeowners in Washington, custom windows provide the flexibility needed to improve airflow, manage indoor comfort, and support healthier living spaces. By carefully planning window size, placement, and style, residents can create a home that feels fresh, balanced, and comfortable throughout the year.